Hello there and welcome to the SOMA Grand building. This is at 1160 Mission. We're in apartment 1903. We've got a lot of light in here. We're up on the 19th floor, so lots and lots of sunlight. You don't really get any noise from the street. We've got a beautiful big kitchen, lots of cabinetry, nice big open floor plan, enough space for a dining room table as well as couch. We'll go ahead and step on over to the windows so you can get a view. Beautiful, gorgeous views of the city here. And then we'll take a look back at the kitchen, looking from this direction. We've got an office space over here with mirrored doors and lots more cabinetry. A little washer dryer tucked into the cabinet. And then we've got our bedroom right here. Again, lots and lots more space for closets. Same big, huge, tall windows, big views, lots and lots of sunlight. And then we have our bathroom just opposite of the kitchen here. Same cabinetry, all very nicely streamlined, beautiful tile floors. And then we'll go ahead and we'll take one more view at the windows here, just to kind of see, especially because it's a beautiful day today. And look at that view. So thanks so much for joining us here. Hope you come and see it soon. Bye.